Nakakalimutan nyo na yung boundaries nyo, ha? Nakakalimutan nyo na yung boundaries nyo. Unang-una, hindi nyo kami binabayaran para maging tau-tauhan, maging robot, at gawing katatawanan dito sa harapan.
Pangalawa, hindi ako nag-board exam para lamang hindi respeto ng mga katulad yung wala pang nararating sa buhay. Ang kakapal ng mukha nyo. Hindi nyo nga kayang buhayin yung mga sarili nyo. Hindi kayo marunong umispeto. Mag-board exam din kaya kayo para malaman nyo kung hanggang saan lang kayo.
Baka hindi pa nga kayo kumasa eh. Sa ugali nyong ganyan, di na nga kayo matalino, ang sama pa na ugali nyo, wala kayong mararating. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, wala kayong lugar sa mundo. O ikaw, bumaba ka na doon, natatawa ka pa, ingrato.
Mga ugaling squatter, walang mararating sa buhay. O ano, sumay kayo, sumagot kayong lahat. Anong masasabi nyo, ha? These are the lines present in the viral live video of a teacher scolding her students mid-class, which garnered a lot of attention on social media and reached not only the attention of the netizens, but also the attention of the Philippine government itself.
But why does this matter concern us as future educators? As stated by Sara Duterte herself, she told the regional office that there will be no penalties for the teacher. She emphasized the importance of reminding the teachers that if she's angry, she has to pause.
Duterte added that it is normal for individual to reach. However, the teacher could have paused and given the class a break.
She also mentioned that her first reaction was that the teacher is just a human being and that we all reach our breaking point, especially when we get frustrated.
But the fact that the teacher scolded her students in a manner that could potentially harm their self-esteem still holds a significant impact on the professionalism on the Department of Education. In conclusion, we urge everyone and hope that everyone learns many things from this, especially that we are aware of what happened in this issue. Let us make a good example to our future students in the future. And before we scold, think twice!